the last thing we have to do before actually starting the INAHOR software is to unzip the Pulsar 2 images and to get them into the proper place. So let's unzip first in the Windows side. To do that, just navigate to the folder that has the images. If you don't remember, the address or the location is up here. On one of the, let's say the topmost folder, right click and then navigate to the 7-zip option and then choose extract to whatever this folder name is going to be. In this case, it's 000073971. Say OK. And then again, go here, click on the one that you just extracted, and you'll notice that there's another zip file inside there. Again, right click on this one, 7-zip, and then say extract to this folder name. And then go back to, or actually go back one to this second file. Right click, 7-zip, and please note that you will definitely have a different looking right click menu here, but you will have 7-zip if you installed it before. So extract here, and then open that folder up and extract the file that we just extracted. So that's right clicking and doing this. Okay. And incidentally, inside here we have the TIFF files that we're going to be using, and also lookup table, summary, and a KML file. Okay, so the third one, I'm just going to go through this quickly now. Extracting that, going here, right clicking, 7-zip. Okay, and then going back, and the last one right here. Okay, did I forget to do that? No. Let's see right here. Yeah, this one. Let's see. Extract here. Okay, so we've extracted the files, and now what we're going to do is actually go over to the INAHOR, to the virtual machine with INAHOR on it. So let's click on VMware Player, and then click on Ubuntu, and then play virtual machine, and I'll come back once this starts. Okay, now that we've got the virtual machine running, let's go right here to the home folder. Double click on that. Inside the home folder, you'll notice many things, but in particular a folder called INAHOR. Please click on that. And inside INAHOR, you'll find another folder called Data. Double click on that. Inside there's Area. Please double click on that. And then finally, Pulsar 2. Double click on that. And right now it's empty. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it down a little bit. What we're going to do is take the files that we have unzipped from before and move them into this area right here, because this very specific directory, home, INAHOR, data, area, Pulsar 2, is where the INAHOR program is going to be writing files and reading files from. So let's go and get those. If you have set this up, hopefully it should be set up. If not, there will be some notes on the page where you can take a look and see how to do this. But if you double click on Windows INAHOR right here, this will take you to the location that we have just been to on the Windows side. So inside input data, there should be the folder right here, number 2. Inside here we have, it looks a little bit different than Windows, but we had these 4 different zip files which we unzipped, and then we have these 4 different folders which were unzipped. So let's do this. In sequence, we'll click on the first one here, and then click on this folder right here. And inside here, we have these TIFF files. We have an img.hh, and then alos something else. This actually is the date right here, so 15/10/25, so 2015, October 25th. And there's other various important information in these numbers. But the thing you need to know right now is HH is the horizontal polarization, and HV is the horizontal vertical polarization. For this work, we're going to be using the horizontal images. So I'm going to simply left click and drag and pull that over here to Pulsar 2. And there it is. It's been copied. If that doesn't work for you, that left clicking and dragging, you can just say copy and then go over here and right click paste, and that'll do the same thing. So let me go back a few here. And then let's go to the second folder. Go inside here. And then this time I'll do it this way. Copy, and over here, right click, paste. Going back to the third one. I'll just drag this over. And then finally to the fourth and final one. Just drag this over. And that's all we need to do here. You can close this, and as long as we've confirmed that the 4 images are here, we can also close this. What we're going to do next is start up INAHOR and load those files in.